We hustle daily. What's going on, Hustle Nation? We're gonna start this video off just like this, man. We got an Sl400. Now this car actually sold already, but I don't know. I guess it didn't sell for what they wanted. I'm gonna go ahead and get inside. Ooh. Let me talk to y'all real quick. So, dang, this seat is like really low. Like I was saying, the I guess it sold. I don't know how much it sold for the first time. Oh, but if you guys click my link in the description below, for the Autoastat, you guys will be able to put the what's that called? The stock number in. And I'll show you the stock number in a second. But you'll be able to put the stock number in, and you know what I'm saying, be able to see what cars sold for. Because that's actually what I am going to do. Let me turn this down. They sound good, but so basically what I'm saying is, I'm sorry, this little thing is getting on my nerves. All right, so basically what I'm saying is the car sold already. I don't know what it sold for, but obviously it didn't sell high enough because you know, it didn't sell. But hold on, y'all, let me put my scanner on. Make sure y'all go to wehustledaily.com if y'all interested in learning how to buy, sell, properly inspect cars at auctions or private party sales. It's good. Let's see if we can drop the top. There usually is a button right here. I don't see it though. So where is that button to drop the top, y'all? Can we figure out how to drop the top in this mug? Sport, comfort. I don't even remember if this is salvage or... There we go. Oh yeah, it works just fine. It says complete. There we go. There we go. That is so hard. Anyway, if y'all go to Autoastat, the link is in the description. You know, you put the stock number in right there. You'll be able to see what it sold for the first time, because that's what I'm going to do. This video has been sponsored to you by Autoastat. Now, Autoastat is a tool that I use to help me find out if cars were staged in Copart. For example, this 2021 Cadillac CT5 was sold for $24,800. But if you go down, you can actually see more information about the car. You can see that it was vandalized. That's why it's here. The car starts and everything. But if you go all the way down to the sales history, you can see that the car was also sold in 2021, and you can find out more information about it. It was sold by the insurance company State Farm, but if you click it, you can also see that the car had another lot number that sold for $20,000. If you look at the photos here, you can also see that this car actual damage was right here on the side there. So that means that someone bought the car, fixed the doors, and then resold it back in Copart for $24,800, and they actually did the writing themselves. So they were the ones who vandalized the car. This website can also be used if you want to know how much I bought my cars for, because I never really tell you guys how much I pay for cars. So you can also find how much I pay for cars and if something is fishy going on with the car. So if you are interested, my link is in the description below. Make sure you sign up with my referral link. And lastly, this website can also be used for Copart and IAA. So here's the Copart website. All you would have to do is copy the lot number or the VIN number, or you can go to IAA and also just copy the lot number. So here's the lot number here, and all you would do is set it up top, and there you go. So it works for IAA and Copart. And lastly, there is a monthly subscription. I personally use the Pro package, which is $49.95, but you can also get the personal package, which is $19.95. You can look up cars in the last 2 years, and with the Pro package, you can look up cars in the last 4 years. But when I tell you guys it is worth it, it is really worth it. It has helped me save a lot of money. But man, this thing is nice. This thing is nice. It's a beautiful car, bro. Oops, sorry about that. Sorry. Oh man, we got all the dust coming. Let me get back in here. Ooh, sheesh. I'm getting hella dust on me, man. All right, drop it. Okay, where's my windows up? There's something wrong with this thing. Now the back windows don't raise up. Extended roof. Extend only when roof. Oh, I guess that's the thing. Oh, that's the. I was pushing this button, but maybe. All right. Ooh, this thing is nice though. I'm not seeing anything popping up on my scanner. I will have to log in and see what the hell this thing went for the first time for sure. But man, this thing is nice. Do we want to do this again, y'all? Honestly, probably not. Like I told y'all, man, cars over 10K, they are just, it's too much, bro. But let me look this up and see if I can find a damage on this thing, because I don't even see the damage. But man, this is me right here, boy. I'm telling y'all, this is it. This is it. All right, and it does have a salvage title. Dang, it gas in here too. So it does have a salvage title, but I don't know why it's salvage. And by the way, I know how much it went for. Like I told y'all, Autoastat, link in the description. And you can just put the stock number in. I'm trying to see, why the hell is this thing salvage? Like I say, I know how much it sold for the first time. Shit. If it sold for that much again, I'd definitely buy it. Even though I said I wouldn't pay that much no more. That's what I said. Junk hard. All right, guys, give me a minute with the car. All right, now this is the perfect example to how you can see the vehicle's history, man. So make sure y'all click that link in the description below and use it, because now I'm no longer interested. You see what I'm saying? So I wouldn't have known this information if I wasn't using Autoastat. So make sure y'all click the link in my description. And yeah, man, I'm good. We're gonna go to the next car. But this thing is nice though, I ain't gonna lie. But we're gonna go to the next car. Real quick, special thanks to Copart as well, man. They always looking out. I got all my cars right here in the front. So again, I appreciate you, Copart, man. So let's check out my other 3 cars that we actually came to look at today. So this is number 1 here. We got a Honda Civic. Looks like they was doing Uber and Lyft. Let's go ahead and look on the inside. Ooh. Is that like guts? Yeah, it's like guts they were smoking. Got a little spider web in here. Yeah. Let's see. I can really see what's going on. Okay. Damn, they was smoking, boy. It's a shame when you see all the newer cars all dirty. Push the start. Let me see if you got power. No power. No power. And you know, if y'all are wondering, look at the Mopar fanboy. Look at the freaking Mopar fanboy, man. Ooh. I know he did this. I know this Mopar fanboy did this. Y'all can't control these cars. Like I was telling y'all in the video the other day, man, I'm like, man, you do not see Corvettes. This is the second Mopar fanboy I seen with this. Like, add this to their little thing. So, you know, if you guys got some chargers or whatever, you can put some, you know, colorful buttons on your knobs. But, like I was saying, if you guys are wondering why, damn, that boy AMG SL S63L, it's got a weird color on it. V12, candy paint. Black interior. Ooh, it's stinking here though. It smells like gas. But what was I saying to you guys? Oh yeah, if you guys want to know why I don't crank up cars, you know what I'm saying, why I won't go get a jump box, then you guys need to see this right here. Make sure you go to this website. What's up, Hustle Nation? This video has been sponsored to you by whdacademy.com, the online course that's going to teach you everything you need to know about the auction game, all my tips on how to properly inspect cars, and most importantly, how to make money. As you can see, I've been doing this for a while, and as you can also see, I have plenty of testimonials on how I've helped others gain success in this business. So if you're interested in learning, be sure to click the link in the description below. All right, make sure you go to there. Make sure you go to there. Now we have a Malibu here. So this Malibu, it's also salvage. Damn, I ain't gonna be able to open the door. Maybe the door locked. And then we got something that I said I wasn't gonna buy another one of, but we'll check it out. So we got the Malibu and this car. Well, again, shout out to Copart, man. Appreciate y'all for y'all support. They was so dirty, man. Just how y'all be riding around. Like, come on, man. Damn. I don't like the way it cranked up, but all that traction control light on. I said, I'm not interested, man. Close the door. I'm not interested. And last but not least, I know I said I wasn't gonna buy another one of these, but we'll check it out. I didn't think it looked too bad as far as pictures wise, but we'll check it out. We'll check it out. We'll check it out. It looks good. 130,000 miles. Ooh, that's a lot for Sonata. And like I said, these were just the 4 cars that I wanted to check out today. What was that? No. This one got power too. Alright, I don't see nothing on the dash. I don't see no check engine light. Y'all know I don't want to light the car. But hey, if I don't know, maybe I shouldn't do it. Y'all don't know why I don't want to buy these. Y'all got to go back and look at the videos if you're new to the channel. Bought one of these, drove it from Chicago. It's actually my grandparents. what you call it. Ended up having to change this part. This one don't look like it's been changed. The camshaft circuit. It don't look, well, yeah, it don't look like it's been changed. Everything still looks the same color. And that boy kind of shaking though, ain't it? I know some of y'all in the comments like, man, don't do it, don't do it. I know, bro. I don't think I'm gonna do it. Let me put it on the scanner, and I'll be right back with y'all. Let me see what it says. But guys, we have an issue here. Well, not an issue. It's salvaged because of the back. I don't know. They salvaged it out because of this. I don't know, man. But they got a lot of stuff in the back here. You know, I don't know, bro. I don't like it though. I'm not really liking it. I mean, not upside down, sideways. But I don't know, guys. I don't want to like it, but it hasn't done anything to make me feel like, okay, it's trash. I don't like the way it just went in gear. Let me see if y'all can hear that. Listen. So this is part. Hear nothing, right? Listen. Reverse. Hopefully the camera is catching that up. You catching that? Yeah. So. So sorry. So nah, we not interested. Shout out to the whole Hustle Nation. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Appreciate your love, y'all. We ain't gonna rock with this one, man. We ain't gonna rock with the SL. We ain't rocking with none of the cars today. Make sure y'all click those links in the description so so y'all can see what cars are going for, see the history on cars, because that's very important. Because I would have got the SL, man, but now I know not to mess with the SL. So, and if you go to Autoastat, you'll see why, and you'll see how much it sold for originally. You know what I'm saying? So make sure y'all click the link in the description. It's Boy Ray, Big Play Ray, man. I'm out.
Subscribe.
Yes, sir.
We're getting it in the pandemic.
You already know, man.
We don't give a damn about no depression, recession. We gonna make it happen.
You already know, man.